So hi everyone and welcome back to a new video and tutorial. So today I'm back to show you how to achieve this iPad case or iPad protection. iPad protection. And this is made in two pieces. One, the protective cover, which you can use the iPad with without removing. And this is the protective cover to put it on once you are done working. Very easy, simple and fun to make, something new from the different cases available in the market or in the crochet world. If you like to see how to achieve this, then just stay tuned for the rest of the video and tutorial. So I'm using medium worsted yarn and 5.5 millimeter crochet hook. We'll start with a slip knot, and I'm gonna chain 18. For me, 18 is the width of my tablet. So here is 18. I'm just gonna make sure it's the right number. Okay. And I will add one more, so to make it 19. But once you start crocheting the next rows, it will be 18 stitches because one will be because we will crochet in the second chain from the hook, so one will be less. It's always like that. So single crochet in the second chain from the hook. I know the yarn is dark. I'm trying to put as much light as I can, but follow the instructions and also the written pattern, which will help you a lot. So in the second chain from the hook, single crochet in every chain till the end of the row. If you want a single crochet tutorial of a normal piece, I'll put the link in the description box for that. Go ahead and check it. And the last stitch. So for the next row, till 32 rows or the required length for your iPad or tablet, I'm gonna make single crochet in every chain. So chain 1, turn, single crochet in the first stitch, and single crochet in every stitch. The same will be done for every row till row 32. So this will be done for both pieces. So I'm gonna finish the rows and I'll come back to show you what to do next. So here I'm done with the piece and I'm gonna fasten off. So I have done 32 rows total. I've done two pieces of 32 rows and I have chained 18. So a reminder, you chain the number required depending on the width of your iPad or tablet, and then you single crochet for 32 rows or whichever rows you need to cover the whole iPad or tablet again. So these are two pieces. I made two pieces of this. One I'm gonna shape like a protective case, and one will be the protection for the screen. So we'll go on to the next step right away. And single crochet in the last stitch. So now I'm gonna shape it into the closure of the tablet. So what I'm gonna do, in each corner, the four corners, I'm gonna make 2 single crochet together, which will be the decrease, and in every stitch around I'm gonna make 1 single crochet. So 1 single crochet around, and in the corners 2 single crochet together. So again, don't forget to look at the pattern to help you with. So chain 1, insert the hook, pull your yarn through insert the hook into the next stitch and pull through 2. This is the first decrease, and single crochet around. I'm gonna do that for the next 6 rounds. The same, decrease in the corners and single crochet around. So here I'm at the last decrease, corner decrease, and what I'm gonna do next is slip stitch all around the case to give it the last shape. Just slip stitch all around. So here I'm almost done with the slip stitch. I'm at the end of the round and I'm gonna fasten off. So this is my last corner. Slip stitch and oops, and pull through, and that's it. And this is how the case looks like after the slip stitch at the end of the work. I hope you will try it. Very nice and easy to achieve, and let me know what you think, if you like it and will try it. And if you have any questions, do not hesitate to leave it in the comment section. Until next time, take care, bye bye.